what's up? In today's video, I decided to start creating some easy do-it-yourself Halloween looks. So I was very inspired by my alter ego, Bonnie, who is also a house cleaner, but does some suspicious things. So I decided to create this look very, very simple, very easy. All you need is some faux blood and a full face, a nice 60s, 70s hairstyle, and you are good to go. So without further ado, let's just hop into this video. Cheers. And before this video starts, make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel. Let them know, Eli. Say subscribe to my mom's channel.
Subscribe to my mom's channel.
Period, Pooh. Make sure you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up, and comment down below what you guys would like to see next, or is this your favorite look? Like, let me know. I'm cute.
Yep.
I love you.
I love you.
Okay, right now, I know that I probably, to you guys, look like, what's that little mouse from Zootopia? Just like, but daddy.
Say, no, I sing anyone at my wedding.
I have to, baby. Daddy has to.
If you guys hear my kid in the background, just know kids will be kids. You're gonna hear it. So for today's look, I'm going to be using the Morphe. This is the 3502, 3502, whatever you want to say. Let's just... Isn't she just like so beautiful? So in the Morphe 3502 palette, I'm just going to take this dual-sided brush by Urban Decay. And I'm going to add that only like on the inner part. I kind of have downturned eyes, so back in the 60s, I feel like they really accentuated that little bone in here. So that's what I'm going to do, just so that it looks kind of like a sad eye. Like, this girl is going to prison for what she has done to these people, or so, you know, in my mind. I'm telling you guys, I can make like films. Could be a director. Could be a writer or something. No, I'm really just, you know, having fun with this Halloween look for this year. So I am just now noticing that my ass only applied like the foundation on my lids. I didn't even apply any eyeshadow base, and usually it's a concealer, you guys know this, but oh my god, I really forgot that. Well, we're just going to wing it out. Dip in to Fawn. Woo, that shit hurt. Okay, using a BH Cosmetics 122 brush, I'm going to take the shade Fawn, which is just a chocolatey brown. And I'm going to enhance the inner parts. For the look that I'm going for, you'll see, like, I just want to kind of get it in this part here. Like so. Oh my goodness, but am I like the only person who didn't attend BeautyCon? Yeah, I be looking at them pictures like, I want to be there. I want to be where the people are, you know? It looks like so much fun. Everyone's like getting along and having such an amazing time that it makes you question, like, how is there so much drama in the beauty community when we all do exactly the same thing? However, we all have our own techniques, you know what I mean? Like, copied the next person, the person copied after that, and so on and so forth, you know? Circle of life type shit. It's so crazy that people really get offended like that. I know for a fact that my techniques are not 100% me, but I know for a fact that some of these things I've been like practicing with, so I'm gonna take my credit, you know, like, you gotta take your credit. Now, using a base shadow brush by Real Techniques, I'm just going to buff that all out so that it doesn't look so, you know, heavy there, but I do want that color to stay so pigmented and pretty. Super excited, like, for Halloween, like, so That's like my favorite time of the year, Halloween. I love when people dress up and just have so much fun. And I love apple picking and pumpkins, and I'm not really a latte type person, but I love me some frappes. I'm like, what is it called? I am breaking out so bad, you guys. And what didn't help was that, like, I got this nasty habit of picking at my skin. So all right here turned out to be scabs. And I'm pretty disappointed in myself because what the F. But my wife is traveling for work. I hate being alone. But I guess, like, when she's away, it gives me more time to, like, you know, have time for myself and figure out what type of videos I would like to create, things like that. Using the Morphe James Charles palette, I'm going to take the Flashback, which is just this nice white in this palette. And I'm going to kind of, like, clean up underneath my brow because I feel like I went a little too high, but that's okay. It's no problem. It's no problem. Well, mainly on this side. And I feel like it's like the perfect blur. So if you have like any mess ups, like you could just clean it up with this. So, bomb. So just to deepen a little bit more, I'm going to use, I don't even know what shade I'm going to use, but I know I need to use one of these darker browns because I really want that brown to stand out when I end up using a concealer to clean it up. So I'm going to go in with Toast just to, I want like this inner corner. You guys are going to see when I clean up with a concealer, but I really want that brown around it to kind of stand out. So I'm going to just use this smaller side from the Urban Decay Full Spectrum dual-sided brush. I'm like, I don't even know what it's called, but it was in that palette. That's all I knew. And just go around my lid like so. But starting from the inner corner and just working my way out very, very lightly. And look at how pigmented that shadow is. Nothing ever negative to say about the Morphe palettes. They are just all so bomb. I love the pigmentation in every shade. And blending definitely takes some time. So this part may drag, but that's the process of blending, ladies. It always is, especially like if you want it to be like so crisp and stand out and well blended, girl, blend until that arm falls off. Otherwise, like, you about to look chalky. Now I'm going to take the Age Rewind concealer. I usually don't use this on my face, but I'm going to use it with a like little flat brush that I got off the Wish, and I just apply some to the back of my hand just to create that cut crease. And I find that like applying it and being able to dip it back into my, you know, on my hand or whatever, it's just so much easier. So with that brush, I'm going to lightly clean up around that shade, that, well, underneath, not around, that shade that we just applied, well, that I just applied. I'm telling you guys, I need to hold a class. Like, I need to hold some type of makeup class so I can say these things, because I feel like you guys are with me. Well, technically, you guys are doing this look with me, you know what I mean? So that's why I say that. Precisely where I wanted. And this also takes a lot of practice. Honestly, it just, I wouldn't say that I practice this. It just, you know, you have to know your own face. You have to see, like, okay, well, does this work for me? And if it doesn't, then find an alternative way. Love this concealer is such like a yellow kind of base. And it just is so buildable. And when you apply your shadow over top, it's just so pigmented. Like the shadow will just boop, boop. So I'm like listening to my kid and it's just like, oh my goodness. I am like 100% ready to have another kid. I know you guys are probably like, wait, what? Trust me, I was like that too. But I am 100% ready. Like, he needs a sibling. I just need to. My whole thing is, I don't want to bring in another kid if I feel like I'm not doing my best, you know? Like, I'm doing my best with him, but he has been the only kid. And that's how it was with me on my dad's side. I hated being the only kid on my dad's side, which made me always want to be, like, with my mom, because, like, my mom had my brothers, and it was so much easier with them, because then I had siblings, and, like, right now, Eli doesn't have siblings, and that's how it was on my dad's side. I always had, like, my cousins, which I am, like, so thankful for, because my cousins, I wouldn't even call them my cousins. I would say that they're like my brothers and my sisters, because I mean, we've literally went through hell and back. Like, we have like so many stories. So now it's like, am I ready? Like, I know my body for sure is ready. I am ready to have a kid. I'm just so nervous, because I know that I badly want a girl, you know? Even though I should just be like, okay, well, it's whatever God gives me. I want a girl, you guys. Like, I love having a boy, don't get me wrong. Because, let's just say, I created a man, okay? I created a man. But I've always wanted a girl, so I am praying that the gods give me a girl. I wanted to use the 3502 by Morphe, but the James Charles palette has the white that I am needing in it, so we're going to be using this shade. And the area that I just cleaned my lids with, I'm just going to pack this white on, like so. But yeah, so that's just how I am feeling when it comes to having a kid, you guys. Like, giving life is truly a blessing. You can't ever think of it as, well, I didn't even want this lifestyle, you know? You have to just think of it as, this is what it is. God gave me the opportunity to give life. I'm going to take Benny, and I'm going to outline the dark area. Furthermore, more blending. So I'm going to be curling my lashes using this Revlon eyelash curler. I remember in Mundelein High School, a girl doing this to me, and I was just so scared. Like, I thought she was gonna rip my freaking lashes off, but that little bee didn't. Total Tease mascara by CoverGirl. This, like, I don't know if you guys can see, but I really like this mascara, and it just kind of like gives my natural ones like that you know? I have never gotten my lashes done though, like professionally done. I need to. Well, I will say that like I remember a long time ago, I used to get them done by like the chinos. I'm talking like under the L at the nail salon. That's where I used to get my eyelashes done, and that feeling of just knowing that they were there used to be so annoying. The fact that I couldn't wash my face and stuff like that because I had to be careful with them. I don't know how y'all females do it, but it's just not for me. Maybe it's different now and it's not the same way as the chinos used to do it, but girl, I could not. I'm going to apply my lashes off camera and I'll be right back, guys. So I added these Ardell 251. These are the double wispies, I believe they're called. I think I want to add some falsies, like just a piece on my lower lash. Let's do it. I have this like lash that was like from a Halloween makeup kit that I'm about to chop up. And let's see how I'm gonna do this because these seem a little bit, okay, so I definitely don't want that part. Maybe just like an inch or two. I so fucked that up. Okay, so I'm just going to cut an inch off this thing. Let's try like this. Yes, perfect. Just using this Lush Glue by Kiss. This is the Strip Lash Adhesive with Aloe. If you guys have any other recommendations, please link them down below because I've used this for about 3 years, and yes, it's amazing. Like, I've cried and my lashes didn't come off, but I want to try something else, you know. I want to try something added to the end of my face. Oh my god, let me apply this shit off.
Go easy, or the results can become ludicrous.
I'm going to do my lips. I'm just going to outline them with, this is the Morphe lip liner in Mina. And you guys already know I overline my lips. I gives no fucks. I have small lips, you guys, so I gotta do what I gotta do in these streets. It's hard. Pointy. Because I was about to do my lips and it would have bled so ugly. Last, I'm just going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is in the shade American Doll, which is a beautiful red. It's a matte red. I love this lip shade. And just add that all over my lips. And this is the completed look. I hope you guys all enjoyed creating this super easy 60s, 70s Bonnie horror type vibe that I felt today. All you guys need to add is some faux blood. Very, very simple. A cute look and a nice hairstyle. Jacket that my son always calls a, what are they called? Robes? He always thinks I'm wearing a robe when I'm wearing this jacket. But hopefully you guys all enjoyed, and until next time, I will see you guys all in my next video.